The Gerald R. Ford class is a class of nuclear-powered aircraft carriers currently being constructed for the United States Navy. The class, with a planned total of 10 ships, will replace the Navy's current carriers on a one-for-one basis, starting with the lead ship, Gerald R. Ford replacing Enterprise, and then eventually taking the place of the existing Nimitz-class carriers. The new vessels have a hull similar to the Nimitz-class but introduce technologies since developed with the CVN-21 program, such as the Electromagnetic Aircraft Launch System, as well as other design features intended to improve efficiency and reduce operating costs, including sailing with smaller crews. This class of aircraft carriers is named after former US President Gerald R. Ford. Carriers of the Gerald R. Ford class have. The biggest visible difference from earlier supercarriers is the more aft location of the island. The Gerald R. Ford class carriers will have a reduced whole life cost due in part to reduced crew size. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.